Hi, I'm Ransom Stevens, author of The God Patent. Thanks for your questions. This week's question comes from Ann Clark, who points out something that's been floating around on Facebook. Now, this year has some special dates like 1-1-11, 1-11-11, 11-1-11, and of course, 11-11-11. If you take the last two digits of the year you were born and add it to the age you will turn this year, the result will be 111, regardless of what your age is. So, Ann's question is, how does this puzzle work? And you thought there would be no mathematics in these videos. No, you knew there'd be mathematics in these videos. Not only is this a pretty good high school, middle school algebra problem, but it shows an example of a mathematical symmetry. Now, if we let y represent the last two digits of the year of your birth, and a equal your age in 2011, then we can just add them together. Y plus a is equal to y. Well, we can represent your age in terms of the year you were born, of course. That's just going to be this year minus the year you were born, which is 1900, plus those last two digits, y. We distribute the minus sign through here, and we get y plus 2011 minus 1900 minus y. And look, we have a y minus y, and get 2011 minus 1900, which gives the answer 111, regardless of your age. So look what happened. Everything that's not a constant has disappeared. We've essentially put a number in and then subtracted that very number out. This is a powerful trick in mathematics, despite how simple it looks. Here's another example. All we've really done is taken something, added 0, and gotten that thing back. We can do the same thing with multiplication. X times 1 is equal to x. Well, big deal, right? Well, right. In Chapter 9 of the God Patent, which starts on page 22, just happen to have a copy here, my character, Emmy Nutter, presents Noether's theorem, which is the foundation for our understanding of the laws of nature. It says that for every mathematical symmetry, there is a corresponding law of nature. This little number trick is just such a mathematical symmetry. It doesn't lead to a law of nature, rather it leads to a law of numerology by subtracting out y from y. Thank you for your questions. Please ask them. Facebook, YouTube, send me an electronic missive.